Hi guys, welcome to episode 3 today. So, we have two new words that may be really useful for all of you. A few of you might already know the word. However, for many of you, the two new words could be new. So, the first word is audacious. So, audacious means showing a willingness to take surprisingly bold risks. A very simple example could be wearing a low-cut dress to a conservative event, or a millionaire earning his fortune by risking in the stock markets. The next word is chronic. Chronic means long-lasting or persistent, something that does not just get off. An example for chronic could be a chronic illness such as asthma or arthritis. Keep revising all these words, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.